another one of the things that Broward County is popular for, at least the state attorney in Broward County was popular for, was direct filing juveniles into adult court. Is that something that a practice that you plan to continue? And if you're going to change that, what type of changes do you see making?
No, and to my knowledge, I'm the only candidate who has said I will not direct file a single child. And just for folks who are watching who aren't familiar with what that means, Florida is one of the very, very few states in the country where prosecutors have the unilateral decision to charge kids as adults. In most states, prosecutors have to go to a judge and ask for permission to direct file and prove why it's necessary to direct file. In Florida, that's not the case. They just make the decision on their own. And that has led to Florida leading the nation in kids being charged as adults for felonies. What does that mean? It means that the kid is immediately sent to an adult jail by law, housed in an adult jail with adults.
With youthful offender time sometimes though, right? Wouldn't they get like youthful offender time or not always?
So yes, there is such a thing as called the youthful offender sentence, but it's still a prison. It's just a prison that kids from 18 to 24 are eligible for. In fact, there are some kids who are direct filed who are too young for a youthful offender sentence. And then those convictions, we know that kids are neglected and abused both in juvenile facilities, but particularly in adult facilities. And then those convictions stay on those kids' lives forever. They don't get any kind of real education. They don't get any kind of rehabilitation. The adult system is not set up to rehabilitate kids at all. And they get out, and all of us are then left less safe. We've got a kid who, when he or she gets out, will have spent many, many years, sometimes in horrible, traumatic situations, not given any real skills. And then we're surprised when they turn around and commit more crimes. And then beyond all that, the racial aspects of it are really, really disturbing. So the direct file system is one of the most racially discriminatory pieces of our criminal legal system. Accounting for, the crime that was charged and whatever history the kid has, Black kids in particular, are direct filed way more than white kids for the same types of offenses.